like Netflix, big pimpin', everything viral, TikTok, baby, waistline. Hold on, you know where I'm at when you step with a stepper. You get wetter. Dizzle. I don't stop, don't let her.
Shake it, shake it. Go do your dance like TikTok. Go show that she wanna come act bad. Like someone come get a hold of the stock.
What is money to? Yo, this shit poppin'. Yo, I'm feeling that, yo. This shit off the hook, son. I've been listening to this shit all week, son. This shit poppin', son. For real, yo.
I ain't gonna cap. I heard something. I'm like, I
I was looking at you. I was like,
that's our song playing right now.
hey, yo, got out the car. I was like, oh, shit, that's the nigga, son.
Yo, that's love.
For real, son. Word is bond. Yo, y'all niggas hot, son. Word is bond, son. I'm feeling y'all, yo.
I mean, you know what the fuck going on, man. We in Atlantic City right now. From PA to NJ, nigga. I'm with my boy L Band. So we flip the camera. Y'all sound like ain't gonna lie, the angle probably look bad, but you see what we got, man. I'm about to go on the beach with it. We got Lee, B-Money, Denisha, so they up there. Them niggas ain't want to wait. We had to catch up. It's alright because we caught up. Alright, gangsta though.
I'm getting sand in my slides already.
Bro, he was trying to put the socks on.
I was about to OD with the socks. Come here with the socks.
The socks is crazy.
I know. Yo, sceneries and shit. Sceneries. Absolutely. You see the waves and shit, the seagulls. Them niggas like
We outside.
Oh. Got me feel like an NFL player right now, man. Sand the beach.
find us a little spot to post up.
Feel me? Find us a nice little spot, man. I don't even know where we about to go, but we about to go somewhere.
Should we go towards the people or should we just stay in our own little lane?
We got some.
Let's go towards the people, man. We for the people, you heard? You know what I'm saying? We dead ass for the people, you know what I'm saying?
People. We are the people. We are
Gangsta.
the people. When we pull up, everybody else comes out. Yo, please.
Reporters might be running.
That's in the slow motion.
We outside.
Nah, don't kid. I thought that was a soccer ball. California breeze. Take me on the beach. Yeah, I'm trying to be like that. That's up, man. Yeah.
Hey, yo! Alright, nigga, fuck it. Let me lay my towel down and shit, like, I gotta get all ready and whatnot, like.
Nah, this is nervous.
Never. You taking pictures and shit?
You know what I'm saying?
I got a chair if anybody want to get lazy, but if I'm
Hey.
sitting in it, don't.
I ain't gonna lie, I don't know how to swim. None of that shit.
I don't need it, bro.
Word? I said you with me, nigga. The farthest I could go is in like my ankles, nigga.
We outside, baby.
Nah, real life outside.
Football outside, diamonds outside. I'm outside.
No, my bad, I wasn't looking.
You might not ever bump me like that
down.
ever again.
No-Dizz, what you gotta say though? It's a nice weather going on out here, man.
You see the waves,
Know
man.
what
The
I'm
waves,
saying?
bro. Get the waves real quick. See them just crashing, man. Them just crashing.
You can swim?
Only underwater. Oh, you ain't got no hands.
What you say?
I got dogs out, you know what I'm saying? Pit bulls mixed with German shepherds. You know what I'm saying? She got the Pomeranians mixed with Chihuahuas.
Yo, please. At least they're paying him.
I feel like getting real interactive right now, man. It's real nice out here. Like, we in AC, feel me? We got the ocean. We got the Ocean Hotel behind us. Last time we was out here, I think it was like 2 years ago. We stayed at that hotel and shit.
Oh!
What it is, she wanna come kick it.
He said,
Yeah, get that feet wet. I already got my feet wet.
I get my feet, but thank you.
That shit cold.
Oh!
This shit cold.
Oh! I said it do hit different. It do hit different. Nah, me neither. I'ma just chill right here.
I came outside. I ain't gonna lie.
I ain't gonna do too much.
Yeah, I ain't getting too wet, bro.
I mean, I'ma
I
just
got my
we only gonna keep the feet right here. For me, we gonna keep the feet in. We just gonna keep the feet in. Type shit. Trying to get the waves.
This ocean over here look way better than Coney Island. What says out here? What? Water look way better than Coney Island.
I'm just saying.
When I was in Coney Island, every time, fuck that. You finding condoms, playing bees, needles, or taking a little wet.
Nasty shit. Yo, alright.
Oh, get out of here.
Oh, hold on, I got the camera. Nah, don't do that. Bro, where my towel? Cause niggas playing too much. Where my towel at? These niggas is playing too much. I got this camera in my hand. And I got this bottle of tea. I'm gonna sit my bottle down and get into it.
Yeah, we out here trying to, you know what I'm saying? Told you somebody be your mama.
You feel me? Like,
Trying to act bad, yeah.
real bad. Oh yeah, we back out here with it. I should just sit my shit down and y'all can just watch us play catch or something. I don't even know what the fuck I'm gonna do. Huh?
Get over here. Get over here. It is.
She said it's cold.
Real too nigga, figure licking KC, white snow, this deep, big
Damn, you slipped up. Oh, deep?
What's the word?
Nothing, nada. Niggas don't want to throw me the ball. I catch that shit one hand.
My shit was real.
That shit was ugly. You ready?
Sorry, what's the on laced up? What are you doing? Eat boogie, do the D one time. Fuck a baby, you a monster.
What?
No, I ain't popping shit. I'm talking my shit to the camera. That looks nice. It looks nice. Nah, see? You lucky I ain't. You lucky I ain't trying to get on that, cause I'll put the camera down.
Oh, what we say? What we saying though? What we saying? We outside though.
Oh no, yeah, we outside. We outside. Look.
Oh, shit, me out.
Nah, look, you see the waves behind us. You see the waves and everything, bro. We outside, like it's for real. Like we really outside. Yo, y'all not hungry, yo?
There's mad food over here.
No, but I'm saying y'all not hungry. If y'all getting food, I'll get food too.
They got pizza shop on.
Y'all want pizza? What y'all want? What y'all want to eat? Like, I'm hungry, y'all. Oh!
What?
That shit cold.
Oh, I thought you saw something. I'm like, what you see? Fuck around, I see a shark.
Hell no.
Bro. Now I see why people get sucked in. You feel the sand like dissolving?
Yeah, dissolving down,
That's
yeah.
how people get sucked in.
Real quick, like, yeah, with the currents and shit.
Clean. Go with the leader. That's it.
Watch LPN bag some notes.
I nipped it.
I used to be a quarterback.
Yeah.
You go to 1, 2.
That's a video, nigga.
Keep recording the video. What happened? Why you ain't catch it?
They think we're gonna make it easy. We're not making it easy.
Never.
Pushing some, like, boss. Some food.
Oh, where's the hand?
Nigga asked you where the hands at. It hit different when B-Money asks where the hands is.
I'm gonna lie, we outside, man. You know what's going on. You know Jersey. Calm, sit, man. Cozy vibes. Just finally outside the studio.
You feel me? Real shit though. Nah, finally outside the studio, like, for real. Yo, Leah. What you doing?
She's enjoying nature.
She said.
She enjoying nature. We outside, this is enjoying life, man.
Yeah, you know the vibes, man. Shout out to the two Leos.
Shout out to the birthday gang. Happy birthday. Shout out to the birthday gang. That's all. Yes, ma'am.
Nah, for real, we really outside, man. Shit ain't really nothing. Huh? Yeah, that's cool. Get the good up eats. I'm trying to smoke again.
Me too.
That's what I'm saying. I don't know what.
I don't even know what the Yo, nigga said.
Making that shit worse, step it down. That's how I think.
Yeah.
Boy, I'm about to see what kind of camera that nigga got. Nikon? How you know? He said nigga, I talked to him. Fuck it. Oh. I mean, are you outside? Are you down, nigga? Change this shit. Question, bro.
What's up, bro?
What kind of camera you got?
Canon.
Canon?
Yeah.
I got,
what do you got?
Sony.
Sonys are nice.
At first I had the regular stock lens that came with the Sony.
Oh, okay.
But then I had got the Samurai.
Yeah,
It's definitely
I
better
don't have
quality.
the right lens. Like, this is macro, so I'm just, you know,
Just
playing around with it.
Playing around with it. I know how that go.
Yeah.
Word.
Where are you guys from?
Yeah.
Oh, PA? Wow. What are you guys doing here? Just hanging
We just
out?
came out here a day at the beach.
Oh, okay, cool.
What you doing out here?
Just hanging out.
Same
Yeah.
shit, yeah.
Where you from though, like originally?
From New York.
Where?
Originally, my country, we're Greek.
Greek?
Yeah.
Oh wow. That's tough.
So you stay in New Jersey or you just like travel a lot?
No, you said New York, right?
Yeah, we're from New
Like you
York.
from Greece? Or you
Yeah.
like stay in New York and work?
Oh, you have a baby.
Yeah. Nah, this is my baby though.
You doing your thing. Hold on.
Nice to meet you.
Well, we recording right now, right?
Yeah, go
Okay,
ahead.
listen, we just met him on the beach out of nowhere, right? Everybody follow his Instagram. It's crazy. He's
Got it.
humble. You know what I'm saying? He's humble. Like, nah, real shit though.
real,
Like,
bro.
a lot of people is not humble.
For real.
See you guys later, man.
Not love, bro.
Camera shot.
I ain't gonna lie. We outside. I ain't gonna carry.
He said I ain't gonna lie, be outside. Yo, that nigga said.
Nigga, B-Money trying to make a sandcastle.
You never know for me. Cameras out. They probably fucking up. Change it out, camera out.
Nah, we outside. Hold on. I got a question. Young Thug or Gunna?
Gunna.
Gunna? Ooh, Young Thug or Gunna?
Gunna.
Gunna? Okay. Young Thug or Gunna? Gunna?
Oh my god.
Gunna?
Young Thug.
You sure you saw? Like, you didn't say that shit with your chest. She said Young Thug? Alright, gangsta. Alright, another one. Birdman or Lil Wayne?
Lil Wayne. Lil Wayne.
I'm not saying, of course, that's
Lil Wayne.
Hold
Okay.
on, but let's bring it to the female rappers though.
Okay.
Y'all listen to the female rappers too, right? Miss Mulatto or
Cardi B.
Cardi B.
Good job?
Cardi B.
Said Cardi. Now where y'all from though? Cause I okay.
I like that.
What part though? Like what part? Okay.
Boppingers.
What part is that?
It's like more upstairs. Yes, get up. It's like a little. I
I don't know. It's like probably like an hour and a half away from the city.
Okay, cool. Cause like I'm from Brooklyn, like Crown Heights. Yeah, and you from Staten Island.
Yeah.
Right. So what y'all doing out here though?
I don't know. We're going to get food right now.
Everybody, she put their hands up like this. I don't fucking know. I'm just here. She like.
What are you guys doing?
Hold on.
What y'all doing here?
Hey, we just came out here for the day. It's my bro's birthday.
Too. We just got here.
Yeah, we just got here too. Like literally, like. Oh, tomorrow? We was probably gonna leave the same night, but I don't know. We might stay the night too.
Is
It
this like a
depends.
YouTube video? What is it?
Yeah.
It's a vlog? Wait, it's a vlog?
It's a vlog,
Can
yeah.
we follow you?
Of course, yeah. I go with the camera too. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, go
outside. What's your name?
We outside with.
But you're
Never inside.
the sunset's so pretty.
It is though, like.
I'm about to say, damn, I was looking for the sun. It's really gone.
It's really pretty, like it's really, it's that.
Yo. TikTok shit. TikTok?
Yeah.
He said we gotta get on TikTok.
You know what I'm saying? Like, we over here asking questions. Every time we ask questions, people on TikTok. What's going on?
I don't know.
How do you do that shit though? How you work TikTok?
Like, random people. Like, these are over, I don't know. Oh, yeah, you guys can like, la, la, la. You gotta start making TikTok.
Woo! Come on, put the camera on me. Put the camera on me. Camera on camera. Camera on camera. I got you. We already lit. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, but you can get famous
Y'all
on
look
TikTok.
more famous than us. I gotta teach me how to dance though. I'm not gonna be a dancer like Nah.
Nah, me neither. I'm not a dancer either.
Okay. Damn.
I'm gonna say, how you supposed to be synchronized with it if y'all not even...
Not the same.
Yeah, that's crazy. Alright.
We outside.
Straight like that. Denise, what you doing? Huh? Yeah, they was chill. They was chill as hell.
I just want to be mad people right now. I just want to move around these bitches. Old, new.
He said, oh, new. My phone is over here somewhere. My phone is over here somewhere.
Daze, yo, Daze.
You left that tile up.
Why are they making TikToks looking at us, bro? Let's make a TikTok.
Huh?
Why are they making TikToks and looking at us, bro? Let's make a TikTok.
Because they want us to be, they want us to try and...
Nigga, that's
doing
clout,
this.
nigga.
What kind of TikTok you gonna do?
No, nigga, we just look good.
Oh,
I
I'm pro that
definitely did.
TikTok. Don't do
Yeah,
that.
let's talk to them. Go over there.
Hold on.
Go over there. Like, come on, y'all. Go over there.
Bro, I got my camera in my hand. Somebody take it.
Like, I'm trying to tell you, I'm good with my TikToks. Hold on. The fuck the views.
I ain't gonna lie, they got a lot of views.
They do, yeah. They shade fake. Yeah, they shade fake.
I'm saying you got a good personality, bro. Just go over there.
You go over there, yeah, they gonna love you.
Take over there, bro. Go over there.
Oh, he said if you go over there, they gonna love you.
Teamwork make the dream work, bro.
Teamwork make the dream work.
You trying to fuck with us though, you know what I'm saying? But I ain't gonna lie, we checking IDs.
Bring it on.
I want to.
How old? You're not 21? You're done.
We over there. Yo, I ain't gonna lie, let's make it. Yo, damn, bro, what we doing, bro? You follow us, bro. Over there.
Huh?
Over there. Like, over there. It's
So
over
ask them
there.
where they staying.
Yo, somebody hold the camera.
Like,
Hold
I'm
the camera
trying to
though.
tell you, like,
I gotta follow the one joint. I gotta follow the one joint back. My phone is in my book bag, bro. It's in my book bag. Yes, that's what I'm saying. I got a lot of shit going on. Like, talk to the camera, like, do something, bro.
Bad little John got the racks on the day.
She like this, why you moving like that? If the nigga plotting, he could.
One, two, three, we outside.
We outside!
I gotta hear everybody. I gotta hear everybody. 1, 2, 3.
We outside! Gangsta!
What's next, big bro? What's next? The baby. Where he at? Pull the baby. Where he at? There you go. Oh, Rebecca, thank you. Yeah, at the same time, all donations are greatly appreciated. So speak to our manager. First name Philip, last name this bucket.
Yes, sir.
Young boy, you ready? Young boy, you ready?
You ready, bro?
You ready to buckle up?
You ready? You ready to buckle up? Go ahead.
Yeah, he the one. Yeah, he the one. Yeah. He said, hold on, let me check my pockets. I got my keys. I don't got my phone. We outside. 1, 2, 3. We outside.
We outside. Go, 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 go.
Let the rain talk like when I come down the street. Buckle up when you sit in your seat. Turn the lights on, make sure that you can see. It's the red light, so we drive the gate. Calm down. We tune it, can't see in the shit cause it's in it. One in the back of the club. Swear to God, I'm buckled all up. Once I realize cause we don't give a fuck. Stay in the street cause I'm just something small right now. Boy, don't make me break out the
Go.
Breaking the rules, they in the bank gonna stop being cool. I cannot stop cause I see right up the back, he said he see it too. You already know what to do, my kids do the sound like don't catch a real. That shit right is cool, I swear they be full. Damn, we need some more gas in the field. This is how many months it's coming up, it's like, nigga, it's on 8,